Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to announce the winner of our Name That Cat contest. This is our kitty. That is one of our featured blocks in our Too Cute to Spook Mystery Halloween BOM. We thought it'd be fun if we let you name our cat. Of course, every pet needs a name. We've had a lot of fun reading the names. Some of these were so creative. It brought a smile to my face the whole time. It came down to two names that we could not decide between, Midnight and Cinder. And so we had almost a 50-50 split here at Shabby Fabrics. So we let our little West Highland Terrier, Bo, choose that. You're seeing the video of him here. We had one name on one slip and one on the other. And Bo twice actually chose Cinder. And we found that more than one person put the name Cinder as the suggested name. So we put all of those people that left that name as their suggestion in a little hat. We picked the name, and that is Nancy Donovan. Nancy left that same name on both Facebook and Instagram. So that's a great thing for you there, Nancy, to have two entries. Good job on that. And one of the things she said is she once had a black cat and two kittens, and their names were Smokey, Cinder, and Cole. So those were some of the names she submitted. And as we saw, Bo chose Cinder, and that's our winner. Hey, we hope you had fun doing that. And if you haven't already joined really all of our social medias, be sure to do that. We have fun contests, giveaways, and of course, that's where you're always learning about maybe new DIY tutorials, new products, and even sales. So it's really fun to be a part of that. If you haven't already grabbed your spot in this program, we do have a few spots remaining, not many. These are just a couple of the fabrics that are going to be in the program. That's the threads that we're doing. And as you know, we added in some fun glitter fabrics as well. And that's your backing option. We'd love to have you in the program. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're starting that 10-month program in September. I know I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.